Good morning, students. Today we are going to see how to construct a rectangle from chapter 5 geometry. Exercise 5.5. Construct the following rectangles with the given measurements and also find their area. The measurements are given. For that measurements you have to construct the rectangle and also for that rectangle you have to find their area also. First sum HAND. HA is equal to 7 centimeter and AN is equal to 4 centimeter. In this sum, you have to construct the rectangle HAND and the given HA is equal to 7 centimeter and the another side of the rectangle given is AN is equal to 4 centimeter. To construct the rectangle, first you have to draw the rough diagram. This is the rough diagram of HAND. You have to draw the rectangle and you have to mark the points as HAND. And in the question, HA is given as 7 centimeter and AN is given as 4 centimeter. These two sides are given. But in rectangle, we know that opposite sides are equal. In this diagram, DN is opposite to the side HA. Therefore, DN is also equal to 7 centimeter. The same way, NA is opposite to DH. Therefore, NA is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, DH is also equal to 4 centimeter. The another important thing about the rectangle is all the angles are equal to 90 degree. Using these measurements and the angle, we are going to construct the rectangle HAND. To construct the rectangle, first you have to draw the base HA equal to 7 centimeter. After drawing the base, you have to construct the side AN. For that, first you have to draw the perpendicular line. We know that angle A is equal to 90 degree. So, we are going to construct the perpendicular line from A. For that, you have to take any measures in your compass and you have to cut an arc. So, how to cut an arc like this. Then the next step, from this point, keep the compass, cut the previous arc and with the cutting point you have to cut the second arc to cut the first arc. After cutting two arcs, then you have to keep the compass in these two places. The first arc is from here and the second arc from the. After intersecting the two arcs, you have to join the point, that is the point of intersection of the two arcs and the point A with the line AX. Now we get angle A is equal to 90 degree. Next, the given measurement is AN is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, you have to take 4 centimeter in your compass and from A, you have to cut an arc of 4 centimeter. Then you have to name that point as N. From the rough diagram, we showed that opposite sides are equal. Therefore, HA is equal to DN is equal to 7 centimeter. Same way, AN is equal to HD is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, from N, you have to take 7 centimeter in your compass and you have to cut an arc from N. And next, you have to take 4 centimeter in your compass. Then from point H, you have to cut the previous arc. Then the point of intersection of the two arcs, we named it as D. Now join this AD and ND. This is the required rectangle HAND. After constructing the rectangle, you have to write the construction, how you construct the rectangle. That is, draw a line segment HA equal to 7 centimeter. Then at A, construct AX perpendicular to HA. Then with A as center, draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter and let it cut AX at N. Then fourth point, with N and H as centers, draw arcs of radius 7 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively and let them cut at D. Next point, join ND and HD. Then HA and D is the required rectangle. After writing the construction, you have to find out the area. Since it is a rectangle, we know that area of a rectangle is equal to L into B square units. Therefore, area of a rectangle HAND is equal to L into B square units. L is given as 7 centimeter and B is given as 4 centimeter. Therefore, 7 into 4 is equal to 28 square units. Second sum, the rectangle LAND, LA is equal to 8 centimeter and AD is equal to 10 centimeter. Similar, here the LA and AD are given as 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Using these measurements, you have to construct the rectangle LAND. First, you have to draw the rough diagram LAND. LA is given as 8 centimeter and ND is given as 10 centimeter. And also we know that all the angles of the rectangles are equal to 90 degree. Using these three measurements, we are going to construct the rectangle LAND. For that, first you have to draw the base. LA is equal to 8 centimeter. After drawing the base, you have to construct the perpendicular line from L. Using a compass, you have to draw the perpendicular line LX to LA. After constructing the perpendicular line, take 10 centimeter in your compass and you have to cut an arc from A to the perpendicular line which we drawn, that is LX, and that point of this arc and the line we named it as D, and you have to mark the measurement as 10 centimeter. Then we know that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal, therefore the base is equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore the side from D to N is also 8 centimeter. So you have to take 8 centimeter in your compass. Then from D you have to cut an arc of 8 centimeter. The next side is AN, which is opposite to LD. We don't know the measurements of L into LD, so we have to make the measure using the compass itself, and you have to cut the arc from A to N. The point of intersection of the two arcs, we named it as N. The next step, you have to join AN and DN. This is the construction of a rectangle LAND. After construct the rectangle, you have to write the construction. Draw the line segment LA equal to 8 centimeter and at L, construct LX perpendicular to LA. With A as center, draw an arc of radius 10 centimeter and let it cut LX at D. And the fourth step, with A as center and LD as radius, draw an arc. Also with D as center and LA as radius, draw another arc. Let them cut it at N. Join AN and ND. Now LAND is the required rectangle. After writing the construction, you have to find the area of the rectangle LAND. But in the figure, we have known only the length as 8 centimeter. We don't know the breadth of the rectangle. So we are going to measure the breadth of the rectangle using the scale. If you measure this length LD, which is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Therefore, L is equal to 8 centimeter and B is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Using these two measurements, we are going to find out the area of a rectangle LAND, that is length into breadth square units, which is equal to 8 into 5.8 square units. If you multiply these two, we get the answer as 46.4 square centimeter. Thank you.